Hello everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. You probably have noticed I haven't been bringing out videos for a while. I had those short videos from the dealership parking lots, but that was about it. The reason is I've been traveling with the family and we are back now and it's 102 degrees outside. And it's pretty warm for northern Utah, so we're not used to that heat. We are used to it, but we're not used to it this early. And it's been at least not a week, but almost a week that it's been that hot. So that's what I'm struggling with right now. So now I am back home though, and I have some new products that I got for the cars to review and test and build in. And I also have some car reviews coming up, and we'll talk about the town car very soon. So that's coming. And let's walk over here. It is the Shelby. I haven't driven it for a while. It's sitting here. It's dusty, which let's see, there's some prints from the kids when they go by, which I tell them not to, but you know how it goes. Then we have the Explorer here, and the Explorer is the start today because on the road trip we took the Explorer and we were 5 of us in it, and the car, yeah, it was just flawless, had no issues at all. This is the 3-liter V6 EcoBoost, the twin turbo. And driving up to Yellowstone National Park was great. Also higher temperatures on the road. Yeah, I drove mostly between 75 and 70. And if I remember right, the MPG had an average of 25 miles per gallon, which I think is fair for an SUV with 5 people on board, plus the luggage too. So don't forget that. So that was great. The tires are good too. These, by the way, these are the original tires, but they didn't come with this car. I bought a second set of wheels. These here. They look exactly like the platinum wheels, and in fact they are platinum wheels, but they had them powder coated black, so they look like the ST wheels, but they're not real ST wheels, which the ST wheels are the same wheels in black, so you could say they're ST wheels. It doesn't matter, okay? So, and they came with a set of tires that the first owner, he just put them away right away when he bought the vehicle. So they're new, just a couple years old, but they were the OEM tires, not the best, but they have a winter set, and so they're fine for the summer. So they performed well. The Explorer performed well, and I checked all the fluids and everything looks great. It's just pretty dirty in here. I think I have to wash the engine bay. I used to do that a lot, but I guess I'm kind of slacking now lately. I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm getting old. I don't know. I have to clean the engine bay. Other than that, you remember the video when it was serviced? The coolant wasn't super high, and that's still at the same level. Other than that, on the road, everything was good. We drove safe. We saw a lot of animals. It was a fun trip, so I recommend going to Yellowstone. Excuse me. I'll put out a couple of travel videos on my walking tour channel. You know, look in the description. You'll see the name and the link to the channel, so you can see Yellowstone if that interests you. And I also have a couple shorts on that channel already. If you want to look at that, you see Old Faithful and mud pods and all that fun stuff on there. If that is something that interests you, go ahead and check out my second channel and you will see that. So have there been any problems with the Explorer? No, but the but is one trip we drove and the cruise control, the adaptive cruise control didn't work anymore. It just showed nothing in front of the car and it wouldn't engage. So stopped, turned the engine off, turned it back on, and the car worked fine again. Now, if that would happen with the Tesla, you can just reset the whole software while driving safely and it would work again, but Ford doesn't do that. So, but I have to say the Tesla never has any issues, so it works really good. Yeah, other than that, everything good. Vehicle is great. Like it, 65,000 miles, I believe. I'm not good in remembering the numbers. I think that's what it is. Has no damage. If you're interested in it, check out the review so you can learn more about the Ford Explorer, which I bought new in by the end of 2019, and it was a 2020 model. Okay, guys, that's about it. It was just a short update here. You can see more boxes there with stuff that I got for the cars, and we'll get to that at another moment. All right, I wish you a happy rest of your Sunday. It's Sunday today, and I'll hope to see you soon back on my channel. So have fun, and as always, leave me a comment and give me a thumbs up. See you soon.